Alright, so far I got 4 white bass. They're decent size. They're good eaters for sure. I ended up coming to Pelican Bay. It's pretty far from where I live. It's about an hour and 10 minutes or so. And the bite is pretty good. There's a couple of guys over to my right and they're catching, oh, here comes one. They're catching fish like crazy over there. But there's one right here. Try to get him to bite. Hopefully I can catch some crappie too as well. I've seen a lot of perch being caught, some white bass. Maybe there's some perch around here. Pretty frozen. I want to say maybe like 6 inches of ice. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's a perch. Chiquito. Tiny little perch. Ish. There's another one. Pissed off little guy for sure. Pissed off little guy indeed. Another one. Bite's pretty good. This place is packed with white bass for sure. There's one right there. 3, 2, 1. The smallest one in Utah Lake again. Jeez, that guy's tiny. I might have to put a little plastic or something different because I'm running out of worms quick. There's 2 down there. There's tons of white bass here. It's ridiculous. There's probably like no limit on them too since there's so freaking many. Oh, that was tiny. Oh my gosh. What the hell is going on down there? Oh, I broke off with this little ice right here. My line got caught running between here and it cut it right off. Alright, let's re-rig. Let's go, baby. Oof. They're just splashing away. Alrighty, dude. Settle, 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 settle. Oh, I couldn't get him, so he just kind of made himself way through the water. I'm using this little tube jig, little tungsten jig. That's about it. Slaying them. I was using wax worms, but the wax worms just were running out quick. Yes, back to back, guys. Fish are just back to back. Another one. Look how they shimmer. They just shimmer in the light. All right, guys. So I've caught a ton of fish already. I've caught, I don't know, I caught over 50 fish. I've caught a lot. I've caught some, caught white bass. I've caught perch, and that's about it. I haven't caught nothing different than that. But the fish are still biting. There's still tons of fish all over this place. So I might fish a little longer and then I'm gonna head out. I might edit this video, try to post it as fast as I can. Another one. I'm trying to stay consistent with the ice fishing this year. So I posted one of Manaway, and that was pretty good. That was a fun day. And today I'm at Utah Lake catching white bass. These things are delicious, not gonna lie. These things are fun eaters, but ooh, I ain't trying to keep any of these today. But that's a decent fish right there, guys. That is a nice little eater fish right there. Doesn't get any better than this. I mean, it really doesn't. They're all about this size, so that's a nice fish right there. Nice white bass. Does that look good for a thumbnail? Looks really good. The cool part is that I'm not even on the ice, guys. Like, I did go to the ice, but right now I'm literally just sitting on a dock. I don't know if you guys can see it. And my hole is right there. I'm not even using the Vexlar, to be honest, either. The Vexlar is just literally just chilling there. I'm just popping holes. It's not super exciting because these fish are not giants whatsoever, but they're still fun to catch. I'll catch some more, and spend a little more time right here, and then I'm gonna head home. I'm about an hour away from home, so it's a little farther away. Oh, ah. But like I said, I want to edit this video as fast as I can, get it out on YouTube. That way you guys can come out here and enjoy these white bass, because there's a lot of white bass here. There's tons of them. There you go, another one. These are perfect for fish tacos. They got some nice little meat. I did catch some like decent ones. They were all right. They were pretty big compared to these guys. But that was only like 2 of them that were like actually nice size. They're all like cookie cutters, about the same. This guy's small. Oh, never mind. He just didn't swim. He kind of just came up with the See, guys, like, I'm not even moving or anything. I'm literally just sitting here. Tomorrow, I'm thinking of heading over to Willard Bay and see if I can catch some yellow perch about this size, actually. So hopefully we can get that going today. But I love the tail on these fish. The tail is so cool. Slimy fish though. There's 2 right here. 2 of them back to back. And there's like plenty more where these came from, guys. There's tons of white bass here, like this size. So, you know, it's a good day of fishing. Bring the kids out here. Easy, easy, easy fishing. Boom. Okay, this is nice. This is heavy. This is a nicer fish, guys. Definitely a nicer fish. Ah ha ha ha. I hurt. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got poked. Slightly nicer, super aggressive fish for sure. Super aggressive. I did get poked pretty good though. But yeah, these fish are just stacked. They're stacked right here. Well guys, I think that's how the cookie crumbles. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video here at Utah Lake. I am gonna get some food now, get out of here, wash my hands. I smell like fish. And hope you guys stay tuned for the next episode. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Hope you guys have a good day.